What's up, guys? Batchy here. Sunday, fun day. Just got down to the garage. Got this special package. We're gonna open this up, see what's in it. Pretty sure it's some stuff for the Camaro. Okay. eBay special right here. Ooh. Even comes with directions. What do we got? We got a button. We got. Alright. The brake line's gonna go through that, in, out. And then we're gonna hook up power. Oh, this is the light to tell you that it's working. Here's the button to turn it on. Yeah. We're gonna be doing some burnouts. Alright. Check back in a minute. Alright, pump the brake. What are we doing, babe?
I'm bleeding brakes.
She's excited, guys. Don't let her fool you. Look at that smile.
I just came here to get some.
Uh-huh.
He forces me to do things, don't.
Alright, hold the brake pedal. You holding? Alright, holding. Pump. Let off?
Off.
Yeah, take your foot off the brake.
Off.
Okay, hold.
Hold brake.
Hold brake.
Hold.
Okay. Now, push the button. Oh, you dropped it. Don't break it. Push the button. Now let off the brake. You're still holding the button, right?
Yeah.
Oh, let off the button. Oh, we got a line lock, motherfuckers. Yeah, we're gonna go do some burnouts. We're gonna do some hood rat shit. Yeah, oh, I'm fucking excited. Now this piece of shit's actually gonna burn out. Oh, we got plenty of tire on here to fucking roast off too. Alright, we'll check back. Alright guys, we're up here at the spot. We got plenty of parking lot. People have been doing burnouts up here before, so we came to do some hood rat shit. We got the fucking Camaro. Oh yeah. So for those of you that don't know what a line lock is, it's this little electric motor, little solenoid, goes from your front brakes, from the master, into this fucking thing, and you got a line that goes back out to, you know, your ABS or whatever. So with this power wire we got fucking running through here, we drill the hole, ground. When you got this fucking switch right here, push on the brakes, hold this fucking button. Alright, put her in, have her in gear. So yeah, hold the brake button, let off the brake, boom, she stays. Oh yeah, boys. That was like just barely fucking touching her. Oh, she smokes like a fucking animal. Look at the rubber. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. Oh, we're gonna do some hood rat shit. Oh, this is fucking great. Alright, let's go do like a quick little fucking donut or something, I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't really hold the button and the camera. Oh no, hang on. If I could gently pull the fucking wire out from where I have it tucked. Oh. Alright, maybe. Maybe. Still not very long. Fuck. Damn, I don't even have like a zip tie or something to fucking hold this thing. Oh, I'm so upset right now. Alright. So I guess we're gonna fucking set the tripod up. Try to do some fucking donies. And then... yeah, get the fuck out of here, right? Oh, the car just shut off. Fuck, dude, it's time to get out of here. And we out. Ah. Yeah, she's going. That was from before. That's like a pretty perfect fucking donut if you ask me.
That's not bad.
Alright, Stephen.
Alright, let's see if we get this fucking thing going.
Oh, give that door a courtesy slam. I don't need
Yeah, let's give her a courtesy slam for YouTube.
like look at check it.
Yeah, she's good. She's closed, man. Trinity's only slipping a little bit.
Yeah, dude, it's a big
That's
car.
fine though.
We have no power steering anymore.
Yeah, no, you don't need it.
I mean, we don't need it.
You don't need it.
We don't need it.
It's fine.
Oh God,
Oh, shield.
we're like 3/4 temperature.
Yeah, that's, you know what? That's probably the tires. That's the temperature
that's
of the
tire
tires.
temperature. All right.
Yeah,
So
that's
we're good?
yeah, where we should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, try to cool them down. Yeah, no, you gotta cool them down. You gotta spin them the other way. Yeah, I don't know. Does it?
Oh, if I spin it the other way,
If you spin it the other way, yeah. No, try going forward. It should work. I don't think you're a cop, but you might be. Now, where are you going, Mr. Car? You're definitely not turning here. Yeah, you might as well just take a quick left. Maybe. Yeah, those tires aren't... Oh, there they go. we have coolant? Because,
Oh, we're still like.
oh, we're fucking beautiful.
Oh, we're good, dude.
Yeah, it's still running. Wow, that's great. It's not bad.
Oh, dude, this power steering kind of sucks though.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Race car.
Yeah. Oh, that's what it is.
Race car. It's
Yeah.
because race
Camaro.
car.
Yep.
It's a Camaro. It's got a Camaro.
Camaro. It's got a Camaro tranny.
Got a fucking Camaro train. Easy shit.
Shoot.
21.
Easy. Any day of the week.
Good shot.
I don't know what happened there. Easy 9-second car. Easy. Look at that.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
bad. How does that make you feel?
I like it.
You know what? It's not enough.
It's never enough.
It needs nitrous.
I think it does too.
You know where to go.
Your house.
All right, let's make it happen.
Dude, next video. Like, it's happening.
It's happening.
You guys heard it here first.
Yep. One nitrous kit. Everyone knows the rules.
Well, you know. Fucking sweet.
Yeah, we got her.
So when the check engine light's flashing, you're supposed to bang out limiter, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. That's what it needed.
Yeah, look, it's not flashing
anymore.
see? She just needed to be fucking cleared out.
Unbelievable.
See?
Yep.
She just needed to be fucking cleared out.
Yeah, any check engine lights flashing or not, bring in Batchy's garage. We'll get you all taken care of.
That's right.
It's always 12:07, so we got plenty of time. Huh. Not bad. Hello, Batchy's garage. We broke down in a Camaro. It was overheating and smoking. We're almost back. All right, gotta go. We're live. Not bad.
Make sure the homeboy's not cooking back this way with his fucking 18-wheeler.
Yeah. Fucking speedometer works, tack works.
Everything works.
Does the horn work? Because we're gonna need that for nitrous.
Yeah.
We need that to activate the nitrous. We got this. We can definitely make it happen. Oh, he wants burnouts. That guy does. Yeah, I mean, I hope we make it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're definitely gonna make it. These are my lovely neighbors. They say, oh, yeah. Yeah, they might like it. I don't know. Oh, wrong gear. That's up there it is. First time learning automatic.
Well, yeah, I know.
Shit difficult. Yeah, we got a mirror in there. All that shit can be weight reduction.
I thought about taking the fucking rear hatch off.
You really don't need it.
I mean, I don't. This could be my Camaro pickup truck.
Yeah, your El Camaro.
Oh my god, it's
El
an El
Camaro.
Camaro. My fucking El Camaro.
I have a Sawzall. I have nitrous.
Bro, that thing will like unbolt probably with like 3 bolts.
Yeah, but the rest of the roof won't. That's true.
But I don't know if it rains, like I want to stay dry.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you take that off, you still can't fit a piece of plywood. It's not a truck if you can't fit a piece of plywood. I mean,
yeah, you're right.
it'll stick out.
I don't know, it's 4 feet wide, dude. It might fit partially.
All right, nitrous kit, Sawzall, Lowe's. Home improvement Camaro.
Yes.
We got this. We need to paint it too.
I was thinking about it with like
I don't know, you paint everything else camo, put it in the woods, get a bunch of paint until you can't see the car anymore. Fucking I saw burnout marks here. Did they want some?
I mean, buddy's house right here.
Yeah, there's definitely burnout marks. But like V6 Camaro burnout marks? I mean, there's line lock. I mean, there's a tractor. Oh my god, it's got a Honda shifter. That is fucking mad.
You gotta Honda shift it, bro. That's the only way.
You gotta Honda shift it.
You gotta keep the wheels spinning so they just fucking, you gotta keep it going.
Oh yeah.
Honda shift it.
Don't look bad, so.
Well,
I mean, you can't really.
Tranny's probably not thrilled about life.
It's a Camaro tranny. I mean, you can't get a better one.
If you had an S10, you put a Camaro tranny in it, and it adds like fucking.
It grows to 350 the next day.
Yup.
Dude, unbelievable. Alright.
They were like brand new.
Yeah, they were new, but
they were new.
Realistically, it's a Camaro, so. Oh, the paint peeled off.
They were?
Yeah, they were new about 10 minutes ago. I don't know what happened.
It didn't burn out until I put line lock on it.
Yeah, she a good one. She a good one.
Well guys, today was a success. Line lock works in the Camaro. Another little update for you guys. Just got to get some more parts for this. Nozzle, courtesy of my buddy Stevie. What else do we got? Oh, you guys already know. We got a full bottle too. We got some laughing gas. Oh yeah, we got a solenoid. We got some line. We got the jet. Sorry for the paint on my fingers. I was doing some painting in my house earlier. But yeah guys. It's gonna be epic. So you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I know you guys can do it. I'm sure you guys want to see me blow this thing up, so you know what you got to do. I got to get some new rear tires because yeah, these fuckers are smooth now. They were not earlier today. They were like pretty much new. So I gotta dig out some 16s, get some new meat on this baby, and do some more burnouts, and get this bottle hooked up. Alright guys, deuces.